So has this ever happened to you? You go to open a file and boom, the links don't work. A lot of times people will send you a file and not share with you the location, or you may not be able to access that location, and the links don't work. And those links are really important because they contain data and obviously are bringing data in for your file. So there's a couple things you might do here. A lot of people would click don't update because they don't know what to do. They don't know what's broken. They don't know what isn't working. So let's open that file back up. So if I go back in and I hit update, I do have the option. It says unable to refresh and then manage workbook links. We're going to show you how to get there though if you hit don't update. So here you are with don't update. So first of all, a quick little tip. If you go into formulas, you can click on the show formulas button. So this will show you all the formulas. So this is obviously a simple sheet. There's only a couple of links here. But a lot of times there will be hundreds of links, and there will be a lot of different links, a lot of different files. So you can then see all the files that are linked to formulas very easily. Of course, you can do Control F, you can do Find All, you can do different things like that. But it's nice to be able to quickly see all of the formulas that would have a link to an external workbook. So if I remove that now, and then I go into Data, and I click on Workbook Links, this will bring up the same thing as if you had clicked that before. So the Workbook Links in the more modern versions of Excel is a little bit different, works a little bit better in my opinion. You can just click here and then you can do Change Source. So instead of having to go back in, select that file, and then open it up again, you can just hit Browse. So here I am. This is the file that I want. So I click OK. And you can see that warning has now gone away. So if I do that for the second one as well, change source, browse, file to, there we go. So those are now gone away. So those links are now working. So if something updates in that other file, it will automatically feed in this one. So it's a nice little way to see it. And again, just that quick tip that on the formulas tab, you can do show formulas to be able to see all the formulas. And then you can easily and quickly see all of the files or all the formulas that have links to other files. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.